Hey there, I'm Tom. Thanks for joining me today. I wish you a happy new year. Today we're going to talk about tethering with ON1. ON1 Photo Raw makes it so easy to tether. And this is going to be kind of a fun tutorial because I just watched a video of a lighting demonstration and I'm going to test that out. And I thought while I practice my lighting, I'd teach you a little bit about tethering with ON1. ON1 makes it so easy to tether. First, just open up ON1. Next, you'll need a USB cable so you can connect your camera to your computer. So I'm using Tethered tools cables. I have it on a tether block, so it locks it into the camera. When shooting tethered, you want to make sure you're not pulling on the fragile port on the side of your camera. Either get the jerk stop or the tethered block so the cord doesn't pull out against your port. Okay, next we just plug it into our computer. After we connect the US cable from our camera to our computer, we just need to turn on our camera. And in case you have any other software that automatically opens up, like I have Canon Utilities, you want to make sure you close that down before the next step. And then on the right-hand side, we're going to scroll down to Tethered Shooting and turn that on. That's going to search for a camera and it automatically goes to the last shooting location. Once this connects to your camera, as you can see, it shows the Canon EOS RP. We want to go to import settings. Then you want to navigate in the upper right side of the panel. So destination, we're going to choose. And then going to my file structure, I know that it's the date and I named it Tethering Tutorial. So we'll select that, we'll select my raw folder. If you want my file structures, I have that in the first video I did of my workflow you can download for free. We'll go into pictures and select that folder. Now we have some other options where we could rename files, we can add metadata, we can add presets. We can use the preset from the previous edit. I'm going to turn that off for now. We then hit start shooting. Just for fun, let me just set this to an automatic setting. And we're just going to take a picture without any of the flashes. So you have a few options. You can shoot from your camera. You can also shoot using the left panel. There's a fire button. You can also adjust your shutter speed, your aperture, your ISO. Right now we're in aperture priority, so we only have access to the ISO and aperture setting. And then the white balance I currently have set to daylight. That is a picture using the available light. That's not what we actually want. Okay, next I'm going back into manual setting and I'm going to take a picture directly using the software in ON1 Photo Raw. So I'll hit the fire button and we have a black screen because I don't have any studio lights on yet. Okay, so right now we have two shots. We have the one with the available room light and then we have it in manual setting. We have a black screen because the flash did not fire yet. So let's go ahead and take one with the flash. I'm going to click on the fire button. And now we have just the main light that's boomed above the soda can. And that's looking pretty cool. Next step was adding a gel to a background. And with that, I added a red and yellow gel. And that produces orange. So let's turn that on. Now that we have the tethering all set up, we have the can here, we have the overhead light, we have the background light on, and I am just going to hit the fire button and the image will pop up and that looks pretty cool. So now we got the main light going. We got the background light going. We have the color gel. Everything is looking great. And the last tip was, give it a little spritz. And take one more shot. Oh, got the frosted look on that beverage. That's how easy it is to shoot tethered using ON1 Photo Raw. Steps are open up ON1 Photo Raw, connect the camera using a USB cable. You can get those at Tethered Tools. Turn on your camera, go down to the tethered shooting pane and turn that on. Go into the import settings and start shooting. When we're all done, all we have to do is go to the tethered shooting pane and turn that off. We'll turn off our camera and then we'll disconnect our cable. It's that easy. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you got some useful information from this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them below. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And also, I'd love for you to subscribe so you don't miss out on my next video. Have a great day, and until next time, keep shooting.